Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to continue with our Python package installation playlist. Now I am going to install Seaborn. Now to install Seaborn, it is very important to have Python installed on your system. So you need to go to this Python download page and you need to download latest version of Python. You can always refer to this video to know how to install Python. Once you have Python installed, you can just simply go to your command prompt. And here if you just simply type python space dash dash version and hit enter, so that's going to show you your Python version. If you are getting this type of prompt, then all that basically means you have successfully installed Python on your system. Next thing that you need to do is to check your pip version. So just simply type pip index version pip, hit enter. So that's going to show you list of all the available version of pip, but the most important part is to check the installed version and the latest version of pip. So the installed version is also 25.2 and latest version is also 25.2. So I have latest version of pip. So if you don't have latest version of pip, you need to run this command of python.exe -m pip install --upgrade pip. Hit enter. So in my case, requirement is already satisfied because I already have latest version of pip. In your case, it might require to download and upgrade your pip. So once you have latest version of Python and latest version of pip, now it's time to install any Python package. So let's first clear our screen. Now to install Seaborn, just simply type python -m then pip install Seaborn. Hit enter. So that's going to immediately start fetching Seaborn from internet and going to install it locally on your system. So you need to have active internet connection for this. And there you go. So you can see that our Seaborn is successfully installed on your system. So let's close this and go to our Python idle shell and verify our Seaborn. So here just simply import importlib.metadata. Hit enter. Next, let's print our Seaborn version. So print importlib.metadata.version and then within single quote just type Seaborn. Hit enter. So that's going to show you the Seaborn version on your console. So if you are getting this type of prompt, then all that basically means you have successfully installed Seaborn on your system. Do check out our cool Python project playlist. So all these videos are completely free, and the best part is detailed source code for all these projects are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So do check out all these videos. I am sure you are going to love them. And also don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. That's going to really motivate me to make more of these similar kind of videos. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.